You will never guess the amount of things that happened to me in 2 days. In the space of 2 days, man. Unbelievable. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hellishrider here. Well guys, welcome back. So first of all, I want to say that last week I didn't post any video, but there is an explanation why. Let me say, for those who follow me in Instagram or on Twitter, maybe also on Facebook, maybe you already know a little bit of what happened last weekend. For those who don't follow me on those media supports, here's a little bit of the reasons why I didn't post any video. Check this out. Hell yeah! That's it. Awesome trip, man. Awesome trip. I don't have words to explain the feeling of riding certain bike in those kind of roads, man. It's unbelievable. The landscape, everything. So guys, keep posted, keep tuned with the channel. A lot of nice videos are coming up. Oh yeah. We see each other next time. Don't forget, R.I.P, ride in peace.